If you work in HR or payroll, you know just how challenging pay processing can be. Managing complex pay structures, last-minute changes, and staying compliant with tax laws, it is a lot to juggle. Manual data entry, disconnected systems, multiple spreadsheets, all leading to errors, delays, and compliance risks. The result? Extra admin work, frustrated employees, and missed opportunities for strategic planning. Pay processing should not be this hard, and with Workzoom, it does not have to be. Welcome to Workzoom Pay Processing, where you can validate, process, and approve payroll with confidence in just a few key steps. Step 1. Audit and validate your payroll. Before you pay anyone, audit like a pro. Here's your checklist. Number 1. Employee data. Use Workzoom's Extract Core and Payroll Audit Report to flag any missing or invalid data. Then, navigate directly to the employee record to fix issues fast. Number 2. Complete any pending leave requests. To assess the pending leave requests, navigate to the current pay run and review the pending leave request tile to assess any outstanding time off. For current period requests, as an administrator, you can navigate to Time Off, review the leave request for the current pay period, select the request in question, and either approve or deny the leave request as appropriate. For prior period leaves that were not paid, navigate to the current pay run, hit Pay Entries, add value entry, and define the person who was not paid for their prior leave, the date that the leave was taken, the leave type, and the leave pay type. You'll also want to include the amount of time taken. Step 3. Validate time data. Ensure all timesheets and timesheet batches are completed and closed, because incomplete time data means inaccurate pay. If the timesheets or time batches have not been completed or approved, hover over the required action to identify who you need to follow up with. In this instance, the administrator needs to follow up with the employee, Christina Vega, to complete their timesheet. If the administrator reviews the overdue time batches and has all of the required information to complete the record, they can make the necessary adjustments and close the record. If not, the administrator can make any necessary adjustments or follow up with the appropriate approvers to ensure everything is finalized before payroll processing begins. 4. Review payroll flags. Scan flags to catch oddities or missing information, such as no address for tax calculations, and no earnings on the pay. Resolve the oddities or missing information in the action item itself before moving forward. Five, enter ad hoc pay entries. Bonuses, adjustments, one-time payments. Use the Edit Pay Entries can-do to add your ad hoc entries. 6. Run payroll audit reports. Get clarity using Workzoom's built-in reports like the payroll register, which provides a full snapshot of the pay. The gross dollars by value type report, which shows gross amount by pay type. The fringe and taxable benefit reports, which can be used to validate benefit calculations. And the deductions report, which can be used to confirm deduction accuracy. Customize the reports you use to audit your pay based on what matters most to your payroll process. After you've completed all of the action items, on step 1 of the pay process, make sure that you complete the checklist items. 7. Recalculate. Always recalculate the pay after any changes. It ensures that all adjustments are reflected across your register, dashboards, and reports. In the final audit step, you will want to confirm the net pay matches the payroll clearing amount on both the dashboard as well as the pay register. You can confirm the net and payroll clearing amounts in the pay register by reviewing the third to last line in columns AD and AE. Note, the only exception to this scenario is if a new hire does not yet have any banking information and is being issued a check. The difference between the net and clearing should exactly match the check amount. When all these checks are complete, you are ready to move on to step 2. Confident that your payroll is clean, compliant, and good to go. Step 2, lock in and final review. Now you are locking things down. Employees and managers can no longer edit their time or pay. On the Pay Processing Step 2 dashboard, you will want to reconfirm the pay period start, end, and issue date, any new hires, terminated employees, the total number of employees within the pay run, and the total number of employees paid. You will also want to validate that the total net and payroll clearing amount are the same. After you've done this initial review, you will want to navigate back to the pay run and make sure that each employee, unless they are being issued a check, only has one disbursement record. If final tweaks are needed, administrators can open individual pays make adjustments, recalculate, and close the pay. Then, review the pay summary to validate earnings, deductions, and contributions, and catch any surprises like an unexpected $20,000 payout before payroll goes out. Complete a final validation to confirm all ad hoc pay entries and adjustments have been added to the pay run by downloading the pay register. Then, reconfirm that the net and payroll clearing amounts are balanced on the pay run and pay register. You're ready to move to step 3. Step 3 is all about final validation. You will confirm how many employees are being paid, who has a $0 deposit or no pay at all, and then, most importantly, that the net pay and payroll clearing on the pay run match the pay register, and that the payroll clearing amount on the pay register and pay run match the bank transmission amount and the amount on the EFT audit file. Do not skip these steps. This is your last chance to catch an error before money moves. Step 4. Transmit to the bank. Once you've confirmed that everything matches, download the EFT file, ensuring that you do not open the file, as opening the file can corrupt the format. Load the file to your bank. Then, once the bank confirms the transfer, navigate to step 3 in pay processing and close the run. And that is it. Your pay is processed, funds are on the way, and you are ready for reporting. With Workzoom, payroll is not just a task. It is a breeze. Structured, secure, and built for accuracy. So you can spend less time fixing and more time leading. Ready to simplify your next payroll? Let's get started.